Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous lecture, we have studied regarding GIS applications in civil engineering, then different analysis processes in GIS, and also we have seen the advantages of GIS. In this lecture, we are going to study regarding GPS part 1. So, in this we are going to study regarding introduction of GPS and different segments of GPS. So, starting with introduction, GPS is nothing but global positioning system. The GPS is a satellite based navigation and surveying system for determination of precise position and time using radio signals from the satellite in real time or in post processing mode. GPS is being used all over the world for various navigational and positioning applications, including navigation on land, in air, and on sea. Determining the precise coordinates of important geographical features as an essential input to mapping and GIS, along with its use for precise cadastral surveys, vehicle guidance in cities and on highways using GIS GPS integrated system, earthquake and landslide monitoring, etc. So, nowadays GIS is one of the important GIS GPS combination is one of the important tool for various applications, not only in civil engineering but other fields of engineering and for the common human being. In India also, GPS is being used for various applications in diverse fields like aircraft and ship navigation, surveying, geodetic control network, cadastral survey, creation of GIS database, time services, etc. by various organizations or various companies, or we can say government organizations also. Next one, global positioning system is a system of determining position on the earth's surface by the use of satellite orbiting above the earth. The first generation of satellite system used in surveying was the US Navy's transit satellite operating on the Doppler's principle. In this system, receivers located at ground station measure the changes in frequencies of radio signals transmitted from the satellite orbiting in polar orbits at an altitude of about 1075 kilometer. In 1973, the US Department of Defense began a concept of validation program to investigate the viability of proposed new satellite system to replace transit, and Navstar GPS was born. Navstar is the short form for Navigation, Satellite, Timing and Ranging Global Positioning System. The first satellite was launched in 1978. This system is an all-weather radio navigation system which provides three-dimensional positional information anywhere on the globe 24 hours per day from any position. It provides this information faster, more accurately and at lower cost than the transit system, which was old one and has superseded all previous long range navigation systems. Although this was designed as a navigation system, GPS is having tremendous impact on surveying and is being used more and more as a means of determining positions in surveying. GPS is a military navigation system and aviation users are tolerated. GPS is the major navigation technology that has been modified to provide surveying accuracy with downgrading its navigation capabilities and without the need of elaborate data processing and long observation periods. Description of the system. There are currently 24 satellites in 6 orbit planes. In each orbit, there are 6 orbit planes, 4 in each, and each at a distance of about 20,200 km above the surface of the earth. The satellites have 12 hours orbit period and a circular orbit at 55 degree towards east to equilateral plane and placed at 60 degree apart from each other. The system has worked continuously since 1991 and is capable of centimeters accuracy. There is 30 seconds fixed resolution which is updated to 6.5 seconds. There are two types of receivers, single frequency receiver and the dual frequency receiver. Dual frequency receiver is faster and we can say more accurate. Next one. So this is the earth and all these satellites are revolving in different orbits, and in each orbit there are 4 satellites and they are revolving along the earth like this. So these are the different orbits like this. The Navstar GPS Global Positioning System program was a joint service effort directed by the United States Defense Department. Navstar GPS is a space-based radio positioning system, normally consists of 24 satellites that provides navigation and time information to a military and civilian users worldwide. Nowadays, the American GPS system is one of the top systems which provides the user, or we can say there are so many users from the world which are using the GPS system from the America. In addition to the satellite, the system consists of worldwide satellite control network and GPS receiver units that acquire the satellite signals and translate them into positioning information. Even though the America has launched this particular system, but in various countries the receivers are there, they are receiving the information and sending the information all over the world. Originally envisioned a primary military system, GPS was found to have a wide variety of civilian applications, many of them never convinced by the original system designer. Next one, the components of GIS. So these three components plays very important as far as working of GIS is concerned. This is the space segment, this is the control segment, and this is the user segment. So we will study these in detail. So first one is the satellite segment. So whatever the satellite which are moving in different orbits, they are receiving, we can say, signals from the earth for the user, and then they are sending the information to the monitoring station. Then another segment is called as ground segment. So whatever the information for the user that goes to the satellite first, then satellites sense that we can say signals then signals are sent to the ground segment. Ground segment assess that, and then that are monitored by the monitoring station, and then whatever the user segment is there, it gets whatever the information he requires. Okay. So satellite segment or space segment also called, then ground segments, or we can say control segments, and this is the user segment. Next one. So this is all about the control segments, ground segments, and the satellite segments, which plays very much important role as far as working of GPS is concerned. So this is sufficient in this lecture. Thank you.